Some people have massive dreams. They want to be rich, successful, and admired. But years pass, and they never take action. Why? It's not always laziness. It's psychology. 1. Perfectionism. Perfectionism isn't about having high standards. It's often about avoiding discomfort. Many people keep waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, or the perfect skills before they start. But perfection never arrives. The pursuit of perfection becomes an excuse to delay action, making procrastination feel productive. 2. Fear of failure. Many people don't avoid work because they're lazy. They avoid it because failure feels personal. If they never try, they never have to face rejection, criticism, or the possibility that they weren't good enough. In their mind, not trying feels safer than trying and failing. 3. Fear of success. Success doesn't just bring rewards. It brings pressure, responsibility, and higher expectations. Deep down, some people know that if they succeed, they'll have to maintain that success. Without realizing it, they avoid taking action to stay in their comfort zone. 4. The dopamine trap. Your brain rewards imagination almost like achievement. Every time you imagine yourself becoming successful, you get a small dopamine boost. Over time, your brain starts enjoying the fantasy more than the effort, making dreams feel exciting while real work feels exhausting. 5. Low self-belief. Some people dream big, but secretly believe they're not capable of achieving those dreams. Even if they never admit it, their actions reveal their beliefs. When you don't believe you can succeed, your brain sees effort as pointless, so it chooses inaction instead. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more psychology videos.